Hey, James Stout here, Silent-Aire Plumbing. This is Ricky Garcia, one of our newest members. He is a plumber. It's time for him to work on our shower brackets. And this is the routine that we've been doing up until this morning. This is Craig Revere. Craig, will you hand him the media protector?
Here, Ricky.
And this is our 2-second lean. Very unsafe, could potentially damage the media. Has to climb up and down the ladder to move down to the next bracket he needs to work on. It just takes too much time. It wasn't very cost effective. This is what Ricky found this morning to start using. A simple working platform we were able to purchase. Reasonably inexpensive, fits right in. You can work on more than one bracket at a time. It's the perfect height. There's no damage. It's much safer, quicker, more efficient way to do it. And that's our 2-second lean for the day. Thank you.